Assalamu alaikum and a very good day to all. Today I'll show you how to start using Nvivo. No experience needed, just follow step by step. First, open the Nvivo software on your computer. When Nvivo opens, you will see the home screen. The first step is to create a new project. Click New Project. Give it a title. For example, I put it as Interview Data Analysis. The description is optional. You can check the keep a log of user actions if you wish to go back to your activity or if you are analyzing a group project. Select the language, click next. These are the project saving and project recovery options. Click create project. So we are done with step 1. You can skip this. Step 2 is import your data. Click import. Click files. Choose your document. Let's say I choose this. Click open. Import. The description is optional. Click OK. So that's it. You are done with step 2. Step 3 is coding. So you need to open the document. Click coding, codes. Close this. So first, you need to read and highlight based on the keywords in your research questions. Let's say you have 2 research questions. The first research questions, you need to create a parent code here. Right click, new code. Let's say the parent code is pedagogical features. Click aggregate coding from children, click OK. You can also rename this by clicking on it and put, let's say you want to put RQ1 here, and then you right click, new code, RQ2, benefits, aggregate coding from children, click OK. So we are done with our RQ1, pedagogical features of ELL websites, RQ2, benefits of ELL websites. So we need to read and highlight. Let's say most of our friends and I use ELL websites mostly in listening and reading skills. So you think this is one of the features, highlight and drag, put it here, RQ1. Okay, and you keep reading because as we all know that our textbook and our printed resources are very limited and it's not quite interesting and engaging. So we need a lot of ELL website resources to help the kids. So we know ELL website resources help the kids. So this can be the benefits. To help the teachers in teaching, another benefit, because there are lots of audio stories and interactive lessons. This can be the features and benefits too. Okay, so now you need to reread and revise your parent code. Double click. Right click to create new code for this parent code. So just now, language skills. So listening and reading skill goes to this code. And then you want to create another one, new code, resources. Click OK. Drag and put it here. So we have 2 codes for the first parent code. You double click the second parent code for RQ2. So now we need to create codes for this, create new code. For example, there are benefits for teachers. benefit for students, new code, students, okay, highlight, drag and put it respectively to help ourselves in teaching, benefit for teachers, lots of audio stories, sounds, interactive lessons for both students and teachers. So we are done. Let's say you are done for the whole document. Step 3, done. So now step 4, you need to explore, or in other words, visualize. Click explore. The simplest way to visualize your data is using project map. You click project map, give it a name. For example, we put it as features and benefits. Click OK. So first you need to click add project items. Click codes. Automatically select descendant codes because I want to select all. Click OK. So we have our project map. We can change the layout. Let's say I choose this. I want to remove the connector labels. So we are done with the project map. You can right click, export map, save it on your computer, and then you can put it in your thesis or your write-up. So that's all for now. You just need to remember the 4 basic steps. First, create. Second, import. Third, code. And the 4th step, explore. That's all from me. Thank you.